Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change your name from your Google account, change the name of your Google account. So in order to do this, first you will have to head on to your browser and go on to google.com. If you haven't logged into your account, you will have to log in first. Once you're on google.com, you can click on this profile icon right here, and then you can click on this option called manage your Google account. And once you're in here, you will have this option called personal information right in the left side. You have to click on it. And then you can see this option name in the basic info. You have to click on it, and now you can change the name by clicking this pencil icon right here, and then you can change your name to whatever you like. So maybe I'll just name it to something else like 12 or something like that, and then I can click on save. As you can see, my name is now successfully changed. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.